Look, what's that? Are you going to operation? Look. Kulang na lang lab gown para makapunta kayo sa ano. Si Mommy Nurse, si Mommy Nurse. Look, Dilag, what happened? Where are you? Where you at?
Are you okay?
Every night, nasakit ang teeth.
Yay.
Karon sa bakante kay exam gahapon.
Oo. Nana, oh.
Ay, oo. Saan na siya doon? Pero di pa malingon permanent, no?
Secret.
Ano naman? Let's try this. Go, kuya! Great, kuya! Go tayo! Oh, here, Parmin!
Tama, dapat ang followers. Ilang million yung followers.
Grabe po ng million, no?
Shout out to Doc Dave. Rara.
First time ni Dog. I mean, Pilar. With our besties. That's our boy. That's our kuya.
Very brave boy.
Dapat hindi na pendi dami kuya ha.
Hindi. So, huwag hindi.
Mag-toothbrush after. Ay, very good naman yung kuya namin. Ay. Very good. Tapos naka-watch pa. Very good ang kuya Gilard namin.
Agaan toys.
Okay, very good. Nice try. You're so brave. You're so strong, kuya. Yan ako ba?
Very good. Very brave si Jella.
Very good, kuya.
Pag-drink, comment yung scene ha. Kasagda na siya ma, mag-inakaw na siya ice cream, mag-stop na ang bleeding. Ano. Do not touch. No, you are not feeling kwan na. That's good na.
That's feeling weird lang.
Weird lang siya, weird. Don't be scared. Don't touch it. Don't put your hands inside your mouth. Okay? That's okay. Just play na lang ang toy. So open na. Para mawala yung isip sa iyang ngiti. Clear ko na. Bantayan lang ni mama yung dali kay anak ko niya. Sama. Kaya wala kaya na feel.